Established in 2001, LTMG Machinery Group is a global one-stop solution provider specializing in construction machinery and logistics equipment. With our headquarters in Xiamen and 2 modern manufacturing bases in Fujian and Shandong, we have built a comprehensive operational system integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales and service. Our facilities span a total area of 100,000 square meters with an annual production capacity exceeding 20,000 units. Products are sold to over 180 countries and regions worldwide, with annual sales volume maintaining steady growth. Professional expertise has earned the trust of global customers. We have developed a diverse product matrix covering 35 major equipment categories, including forklifts, excavators, loaders, and various warehouse and port equipment. This portfolio comprehensively meets the demands of multiple scenarios, such as logistics, handling, construction engineering, and agricultural transportation. Beyond providing high-quality products, LTMG is committed to delivering integrated service solutions, from equipment selection and solution design to after-sales support. We are dedicated to enhancing our clients' operational efficiency and precisely matching their unique needs. In our global expansion, LTMG Machinery Group not only actively participates in top-tier international industry exhibitions to showcase our strengths, but also insists on regular in-depth customer visits to listen to the authentic voices of different markets. We are continuously building an efficient and stable distributor network covering key regions. To date, we have established over 50 stable agency partnerships in 22 countries worldwide, creating a responsive local service and business promotion system. This ensures that every customer, no matter where they are, receives timely and professional support, turning our vision of a global partnership into reality. LTMG products have obtained CE, ISO, and other international authoritative certifications, strictly adhering to the technical and safety standards of key markets like the EU, North America, and Southeast Asia. Standing at the forefront of industry transformation, LTMG Group is intensifying its strategic investments in digitalization, new energy, and intelligent technologies. We are committed to empowering our global clients with stable, reliable, and cost-effective products and service solutions, fostering borderless and sustainable cooperation for mutual success. We look forward to partnering with you to build a more efficient and greener new ecosystem for the engineering machinery industry.